So let me show you how to install WhatsApp on your Xiaomi 17 or 17 Pro. You want to go to the Google Play Store and then go to the search function and search WhatsApp. From the results, make sure you have the correct app from WhatsApp LLC and then go ahead and tap on install, and that should get downloaded and installed on your computer. Once installed, you can now tap on open and then you can set up WhatsApp. So just the normal setup process. You can choose to allow or deny notifications, put in your phone number, and once you enter your phone number, you can tap on next and go through the process of verifying. Just a normal WhatsApp setup process. And once you finish the setup process, you're all good. There is WhatsApp available, ready to use on my Xiaomi 17 Pro Max. Thanks for watching and good luck.